Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 22nd, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far. Everybody has a great Monday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe. States. We're going to take a look at your forecast also for Tuesday and Wednesday. Also, we're going to take the advisory map, also the Storm Prediction Center outlook, as we got some severe weather to talk about on day 4, 5, and 6. And also, we're going to take a look at the 7-day rainfall totals as well. So stick around to the entire video. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your neighbors about the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. Make sure they subscribe to it as well. And also that way they get a chance to stay informed with my forecast channel as well. Alright, also like these videos on social media. Try to get them out on social media as much as possible to attract more viewers and more subscribers to my channel. If somebody can help me with that. And also like the videos and stuff like that as well. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks, and we're going to talk about some weather in this forecast cycle. Alright, as you can see here, we got one front that moved through yesterday that brought some rain to the eastern United States, and also that severe weather outbreak over portions of the Carolinas. We're up in Rock Hill, South Carolina. There was a lot of hail damage, also some high winds in that vicinity, and also there were more reports of hail across the PD all the way back into the portion of the Four Corners region. All this activity was sagged to the showers and storm. Nothing severe, but just maybe a few months. This system here needs to be monitored as it looks to bring some severe weather over the middle portion of the country and moving forward. So we'll monitor that as we get closer to today. Alrighty, let's move it down a little bit here. Here we go. Alright, we got some mixed up. Portion of Tennessee, same in northern Michigan, Wisconsin, portion of Minnesota, southeast Minnesota, Michigan, to Pennsylvania, to Ohio, Illinois, Missouri, all the way into Oklahoma. We've got a pocket of thunderstorms over a portion of Kansas, and also a few pockets here in portion of Wyoming, Colorado, and Utah, Nevada, and also into California as well. A little pocket of shower activity across the coastal areas of Florida, as well around the Miami area. Alright, otherwise, dry high pressure is in charge of much of Canada, through east is portion through the Dakotas and portion of Iowa, all the way down from California to the Gulf of California, back over to Texas, including Mexico, also the Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, the Bahamas, the Florida Keys, much of the mid-Atlantic, the northeast, all the way to the coastal areas as well, including New Brunswick and also Newfoundland as well. This is for your Tuesday, April 20th. Here's your Wednesday forecast. As you can see here, we got mixed precipitation up here in southeast Canada. So that's stretching down from New York State all the way into New Brunswick. We have shower activity over here in portion of southern New Brunswick, into portion of western Newfoundland, through portion of Maine, down to Rhode Island, down into West Virginia, and even a little bit in the Outer Banks. Western North Carolina, excuse me, and eastern Tennessee and eastern Kentucky and West Virginia region. Alright, we have thunderstorms and shower from Alabama stretching all the way back over to Kansas, a little bit in Wyoming to Texas, And again, from Idaho to Nevada to California, Northern California as well. Mixed precipitation in Washington State, and a little bit of shower activity from coastal area of Washington and northwestern Oregon as well. Alright, let's move on to the Watches Warning Advisory map for your locating across the nation. Okay, hopefully it'll come up here in a minute. Alright, you can see here we got some special weather statements for Vermont down in New York State, portion of Ohio, and also northern Kentucky. Came over here in portion of northern Michigan, Wisconsin, also into Iowa, and also Illinois. Also we have some frost advisory, free warning effect for portion of Connecticut through Pennsylvania. Also down in West Virginia. Also in the portion of Kentucky, Tennessee, Western North Carolina, much of North Carolina, and Virginia as well. We have some areas of river flood warning for portion of South Georgia, northern Florida. Also in Alabama, portion of northern portion of Louisiana, southern Arkansas, eastern Texas. Also we have red flag from Minnesota through the Dakotas, back into Montana. Also into Colorado, and one area here in areas of flood warning for southeast Idaho, northern Nevada. High wind warning, wind at the Dakotas as well. Alright. For the Hawaiian Chain Islands, central northern, central south, got some gale warnings, small craft advisory. Same around the Alaska area, coastal region as well, with some freezing spray warnings there as well. Alright, now let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook for day number 4. As you can see, we got some severe weather over here from Texas. This is from Lubbock to Wichita Falls to Fort Steele. Also to Woodward, Liberal, Garden City. Also just west of Wichita to the east of Kobe and McCook area. This is day 4. This would be a slight risk of severe weather on day 4. Let's try to move to day number 5. Okay, day number 5, we still got severe weather, 15% risk from Wichita to Liberal to Woodward. I gotta go back to day number 5. That's day number 4. This is day number 5. Let me click on it since I don't want to go. Wichita down to Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Fort Steele, Wichita Falls, Dallas, and Waco area. You're in the 15% risk area for day number 5 for severe weather. Let's move on to day number 6. From Wichita to Dallas area for day number 6, living up for the middle portion of the country. So get ready, folks. A wild ride is on the way. Here's the 7-day rainfall totals. The heaviest precipitation is going to be over portions of Texas up to through the Ohio portion of the Ohio and River Valley. Also in the middle portion of the country from Texas to Minnesota to Wisconsin. Also in the northern Michigan, southeast Canada. Some lighter amounts in the green from Maine all the way back into portions of the Carolinas down to Louisiana, Texas. Heavier pockets of precipitation also from Kansas, Nebraska, also into portions of Colorado, Wyoming, back into Montana and Idaho, and also southwestern area and western areas of Oregon, Washington State, and portions of southwestern Canada as well. A few pockets of heavy precipitation in Utah, Nevada, and California as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Like the video, share the video, consider subscribing if you have not. Make sure you subscribe, that is, and we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Monday evening, folks. Take care.